In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to the header on your Wix website. This is a straightforward process, but can make a significant difference in branding your site and ensuring that it leaves a lasting impression on your visitors. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your logo prominently displayed in your website header, enhancing the professional appearance of your site. To get started, you'll want to open your site in the Wix editor. This is where you'll make most of the customizations for your website. Accessing it is simple. Just log into your Wix account, navigate to your site dashboard, and click on the Edit Site button. Once you've entered the editor, you'll have a myriad of powerful tools at your disposal to tweak and personalize your website. Next, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find a variety of tools and options, but what we're interested in today is the Add Elements button. This button is your gateway to inserting new components into your website, from text boxes and buttons to gallery images and, of course, your logo. Click on Add Elements to open the menu. Inside the Add Elements menu, look for the Image tab. Clicking on this will reveal different image options you can add to your site, including image uploads, pre-made images, and, importantly for our task, custom logos. Selecting the Image tab will provide you with a variety of possibilities, but to place your specific logo on the header, choose the Custom Logo option. This will allow you to add a unique image that represents your brand. After selecting Custom Logo, you'll see an Add Logo button. Give that a click. Now you're able to choose the logo file you want to upload. Ideally, you should already have your logo saved on your computer with a suitable file format like PNG or JPEG, preferably prepared at a resolution that's clear and high quality to maintain professionalism. Once you've picked your logo and confirmed it's uploaded, your logo will appear on the site screen. But before reveling in your success, there's one more crucial step: positioning your logo in the header area precisely where you'd like it. To do this, click on the logo, and while holding down the mouse button, simply drag it to the header area at the top of your site. Place it so that it complements the overall layout of your page, ensuring it's aligned and not off-center. And there you have it. You've successfully added your logo to your Wix website header, which should now contribute positively to your site's professional look. Remember, crafting a memorable visual identity is vital, so feel free to experiment with positioning until it fits just right. This concludes our tutorial for today, and I hope this helps your site make that much more of an impact.